Hi everyone, welcome back to Medvion Academy. Today I am going to discuss about medical coding as a career, and I am pretty sure you must be confused whether you have to choose medical coding as a career. Well, medical coding is a smart career choice and there are several reasons behind this. Reason number one is high demand. So in this domain I have seen market is having a high demand for certified coders and top performers. So if you can perform well, if you can become a certified coder, you can see huge demand for your profile. Next one is work from home opportunity. Well, medical coding does provide work from home opportunity and it is really helpful for parents. But yeah, you have to remember that from the day one, you can't expect work from home because you don't have any knowledge. So first, you have to become a certified coder. You have to gain some knowledge so that organization can trust on you and they can provide you this opportunity. Then career growth. So starting from a medical coder role, you can become a senior coder, then auditor, then manager, or even more. So career growth is always there. Then you can see a good salary potential. Well, even if I talk about the freshers current salary in medical coding, you can expect at least from 18 to 25k. And if you are a certified one, you can expect even more than that. So you can see a good salary potential in this medical coding field. Next one is global scope. Well, as I have mentioned, this medical coding does have this work from home opportunity. So you can even work for global countries as well. Since you can work from anywhere, so you can work for global countries also. The last one is short learning time. Well, some courses are there to become a certified coder. You may need to enroll for some courses, but those are short-term courses. Like it will not be as similar as full-time degree courses, right? So here, within some months, you can complete your certification and you can start immediately. So this is why I feel medical coding is really a great career choice. If you still have some doubts or questions, feel free to mention in the comment box. I would love to address those questions. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.